Hello and welcome to the course. I'm Rick and this is Stephen. We'll be your instructors throughout this entire course. In this very first section, we're covering some of the housekeeping things. We're setting up Unity, we're installing Visual Studio Code, and we're going through a little bit of a play around with Unity. So if you're brand new to Unity, pay attention to this section. If you're not brand new, you can probably skip ahead or go quite quick and jump into our first game project, which is going to be Obstacle Dodge. I'll be teaching the first two sections of the course, Obstacle Dodge, where we're learning C#, we're playing around in Unity, and we're doing a very simple game that I think can be quite fun that you can torment your friends with. Then we're jumping into the next project, which is Rocket Boost. We're using physics, we're loading levels, we're using Scene Manager, and we're advancing our skills even further. Then I'm handing over to Stephen for the next three projects. What are we covering in your project, Stephen?
My first project that we're actually going to dive into is Galaxy Strike, which is really like your third project throughout this course. Galaxy Strike is a rail-based shooter emulating old school games like Star Fox 64. Your fourth project within this course is going to be Royal Run, a procedurally generated endless runner, which has got you bobbing and weaving in between a bunch of obstacles being flung towards you down a shaky sort of bridge. The fifth project that you're actually going to cover within this course is a first-person shooter called Sharpshooter. We'll be setting up a first-person controller and shooting enemies and managing different sorts of weapons that you can actually toggle in between. I'm super excited to cover all of these topics with you, but as you start your Unity game dev journey, it's extremely important that you really apply yourself throughout all the challenges that we're going to give you throughout this course. That's enough chat for now. Let's get started.